My room looks like a war zone. I'm not gonna wait all day for him though. I can do it. Oh, alright y'all, I'm back. You see the wig is installed. Purr. Don't play with it. It's actually time to do a little rearranging of my room, if I do say so. I never bought the rest of that wallpaper, but so it's time to take it off. Yeah, it's time to take it off. Cause it's looking pretty wretched. Like, why do I have a wall with one strip of wallpaper? Out with the old. In with the new. It's time to hang this on my wall. It's time. It's time. Ew, is it sparkly? No, brother. It does have sparkles in it, and I did order it like that. I didn't even realize it had that. Oh, what do I have? Do I have a personal grudge against sparkles? No, but I wanted it plain, but she's gonna have to do. Yeah, how do you put a wallpaper? I just bought this and I don't even know how to put this up. Non-pasted. Installation method, non-pasted, so I don't need a... Do I put this bitch off? Okay, it's like a white thing. Do I put this off or what? It's the next day and I had to go to Lowe's, of course, to get glue because I didn't know that the adhesive didn't come with the wrapping paper. Yeah. My dad has shown me where everything was in Lowe's because, bro, I hate going to Lowe's. Every time I go in there, all the old men stare like, why? I don't know. I mean, how could you not stare? But no, hashtag I'm just a girl, but because I did not know where none of this was and my dad bought it for me. Yeah, anyway. You need this. I'll be using this and this. Let's get to it. But I'm low-key mad it's got sparkles. Like, do I look like a sparkles type of... You know when you don't feel like sending something back, you're just gonna take that L. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this L and hopefully nobody notices that has sparkles because you can't see it from right here, huh? Yeah, you can't. If I don't have enough, I'm gonna just stop at that little door frame. But if I do, then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have enough because this mug is thick. So I guess I'll just start applying it. I don't know. I really don't know what to do. I feel like so crap. Maybe I should wait for my dad so he can do this for me. But he's, I don't know. I'm not gonna wait all day for him though. I can do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just put that all over my carpet in my boot. No. This is glue, bro. I don't know what to do. Why would it open like this? My mom won't beat my ass. Okay, I'm gonna just let me see. I guess I'll do it. I don't know what to do. Like, do I scoop it with my hands? Yeah, I'm just gonna grab it with my hands. I feel like that's the best approach to do. Yeah, that's the best approach. Oh, it's like glue. Yeah, it's glue. I don't know why I'm smelling it. Do I just smear it like that? I guess. Okay. I wonder how much do you have to put? Oh my god, there's a hair on it. This is not going as planned. I'm just a girl. What a noise it makes. Listen. Oh, I hope I don't get that in my hair. Let's get them corners good, cause maybe I should only apply. I should look up the TikTok tutorial, cause TikTok got everything. Get out the way, God! This dumb box. Oh my! This is looking a fail already. We can't give up. Okay, was I supposed to mix this with something? I feel like I'm doing a kindergarten project. Like, this is all over my hands. Okay. I need a tape measure. I need a tape measure. Hold on. This is going really bad. I need a tape measure ASAP. Oh my gosh, I'm back. I found a tape measure. we have a rolling pin, but I couldn't find it. So I'm using, no, Cardi, no. My dog gonna end up licking that glue up. But I'm just using this old rusty paintbrush. Hashtag just a girl, because I couldn't find the rolling pin. I know we have one, but I'm not looking through all that stuff. Anyway, let me measure this wall. No. It's literally 8 feet. Oh shit. What the shit got stuck. I can't anymore. One down, 100,000 more to go. Of course I ran out. I don't know why I thought that would be enough. I have to order some more. Y'all, for the amount I paid for all this, I could have bought a cheetah and skinned it myself, honestly. I'm angry that I ran out. Severely angry. Today's Friday. I waited a whole weekend, yay, to finish my wall. I'll catch y'all Monday. It is finally time to finish my room. And I think I'm just gonna redo everything because my OCD can't handle that. It can't. Cause why is it uneven? Can I get up and redoing it? Let's see if it peels up easily or, oh shit. So it actually is stuck to the wall. Love that. If this is not enough after redoing it, I think I might give up. Yeah, I might give up. Dang, that glue is strong. Like, really strong. Yeah, if you got an apartment or anything, do not buy that paste. Or I don't know if it's the glue or the wallpaper, but don't do it because your realtor or what's that person called? I don't know. Your land person, whatever. Yeah, he gonna get real mad because you can't put this up. Round 2. Let's try to get it even this time. Oh, I was like, what is it touching, bro? Shit. Update. My room looks like a war zone. Let's try to finish putting up these last few. I have this much left. I found a way to use the scraps that I cut off. It's looking so good thus far. What was that? Oh, I just gotta cut that off. Let's try to do this last bit. So if you need wallpaper done in your room, hit me up. But it would be a small fee of $50,000. I might give you a discount on $20,000 if you're cool. Several hours later, I'm finally done. Hey, let's get into it in this fluffy pink rug. Comment down a cheetah emoji if my room is the hardest room you've ever seen. Duh. You wish your room looked like mine, huh? Bye.